Stop translating in your head. Stop translating in your head. Say this sentence with me. Say this sentence with me. English is easier than you think. English is easier than you think. You can speak English today. You can speak English today. Just repeat after me. Just repeat after me. Don't be afraid to speak. Don't be afraid to speak. Making mistakes is okay. Making mistakes is okay. Let's speak English together. Let's speak English together. You are learning fast. You are learning fast. Watch till the end. Watch till the end. I just woke up. I just woke up. I feel good today. I feel good today. Let's start the day. Let's start the day. I need some fresh air. I need some fresh air. What's the plan today? What's the plan today? I'll do it later. I'll do it later. Give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. That sounds good. That sounds good. I don't have time now. I don't have time now. Let me think. Let me think. I'll try my best. I'll try my best. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. I need a short break. I need a short break. Let's talk later. Let's talk later. I didn't know that. I didn't know that. That makes sense. That makes sense. I'm getting better. I'm getting better. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. Take it easy. Take it easy. No rush. No rush. I'm almost done. I'm almost done. Time goes fast. Time goes fast. I learned something new. I learned something new. I feel more confident. I feel more confident. English is getting easier. English is getting easier. I like this lesson. I like this lesson. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. See you in the next video. See you in the next video.